Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're gonna sing If You're Happy and You Know It, clap your hands. Ready? If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
If you're happy, happy, happy,
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
if you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry,
Stamp your feet if you're
stomp your
angry.
feet.
If you're angry, 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 stamp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet.
If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no.
If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no.
This is different, right?
If you're sleepy, sleepy,
Sleepy.
take a nap. If you're sleepy, sleepy,
Take a nap.
sleepy, take a nap.
If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap.
If you're happy, happy, happy,
Clap your hands,
If you're happy, happy, happy,
clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Good job, guys. So that was a different song of the If You're Happy and You Know It, right? But it's nice too. Today we are going to be reviewing some letters, okay? I'm going to show you some letters and then maybe we can try to write some of them. Are you ready for the first letter? This one lives on the farm. This animal that starts with this letter. And it goes oink oink. What animal is it? A pig. Pa 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 pig. P is for pig. Say it. Pa 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 pig. For pig and for Peppa Pig, right? Yeah, who likes Peppa Pig? Victoria, you like Peppa Pig, I know. Alright, so we have the first letter is letter P for pig. Now, this one is big. And he goes, roar. Who do you think it is? It starts with the sound B, B, B. It is a bear. B is for bear. Say it. B is for bear. Now this one likes to jump and hop a lot. And he has big, long ears. And he is fluffy. What do you think this animal is? And the sound for this animal letter is R, R, R. So you think it's a robot? No. It's an animal, not a machine. So R, 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 rabbit. See, big long ears and he hops. Rabbit. R, R, rabbit. So R, say R, is for rabbit. Next one. Let me see. Oh, this one, it looks like a dog, but it's not a dog. And it starts with the sound F, 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 F. What do you think? fox. F is for fox. So today we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do one more. I'm gonna review one more letter. Let me see which one is a good one. Oh, I like this one. It lives in the ocean and it looks like mushroom, and it has a lot of twinkly lines like this. Ridiculous. And sound starts J, J, J. Thinking brains, what it is? Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish, and the sound of the letter J goes J, J. The J sounds J. The J sounds J. Every letter makes the sound. The J sounds J. Jelly bean. Who else? Joel. Just Mary. Right? And anyone else has the letter J in our classroom? Just Mary and Joel. That's it. Right? And let's review it again. J is for jellyfish. F is for fox. R is for rabbit. B is for bear. And P is for pig. So you guys can review to write these letters, right? And to write the letter P, first you go down, right? And then from the top, we're gonna go around and stop. That's the letter P. Now the letter B, you go down. From the top, you go around and stop to the middle. And around and stop to the bottom. B. And the letter J, we go down and hook. Right? And the letter R, we go down, then we go around and stop in the middle, and then we're going to go a slant right for the R. And the letter, what else? What other letter did we do? Oh, F. We're going to go down, and then we're going to go across on the top, and then across in the middle. F. P. B. J. R. F. And think of something that starts with these letters, and maybe you can draw a picture and write the letter that you practicing, okay? Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.